Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready? Make sure the Vivo 1820 has at least 20% battery and that you've backed up any custom dictionary entries. First, unlock the phone and open settings, then type language and input into search to jump straight there. Once there, locate the active keyboard listed under keyboard and input methods. You'll need that specific keyboard name, tap it to open its options. This step ensures you modify the correct keyboard, so don't skip confirming the active input method before proceeding. Now you're inside the keyboard settings. Look for sections labeled Text Correction, Smart Typing, or similar. Tap into Text Correction to reveal switches for autocorrection, predictive text, and auto-capitalization. Turn each of those switches off, do one at a time, and watch the descriptions change so you know what you disabled. If the keyboard offers languages, verify autocorrect is off for each active language. Once done, press back. Make sure the changes persist by opening any messaging app and typing a few test words. Finish by testing typing in messages, notes, and a browser. Confirm autocorrect no longer replaces your input. If autocorrect persists, go to Apps, Manage Apps, the keyboard app, and clear cache. If needed, clear data to reset preferences. As an alternative, install a simple third-party keyboard and set it active. Once satisfied, restart the phone to cement settings. Troubleshooting tip: if odd replacements continue, reset the keyboard dictionary or reinstall the keyboard app. That resolves corrupted learned words most of the time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.